Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get new oxygen into your fish tank. First, understand that fish require dissolved oxygen to breathe, just like we need air. When oxygen levels drop too low, your fish can become stressed, leading to illness or worse. Ensuring proper oxygenation is one of the most important steps in maintaining a healthy and thriving aquatic environment for your finned friends. We'll cover some easy methods to achieve this. One of the easiest and most effective ways to boost oxygen is by using an air pump with an air stone. The air pump sits outside your tank, pushing air through a small tube to a porous stone placed inside. This stone then releases a steady stream of tiny bubbles. These bubbles not only look great, but more importantly, they create surface agitation, which is vital for oxygen to dissolve into the water. It's a reliable system for healthy fish. Another simple way to increase oxygen is by maximizing water movement. You can often achieve this by adjusting your existing filter's outflow so that it gently breaks the water surface. This creates ripples and agitation, allowing more oxygen to dissolve. For tanks needing extra circulation, a small power head or circulation pump can be added. Remember, the more the surface moves, the better the gas exchange, keeping your fish happy and healthy. Finally, it's crucial to monitor your tank and maintain good practices. Watch your fish for signs of low oxygen, like rapid gill movement or gasping at the surface. Regular partial water changes, about 25% weekly, help remove waste and introduce fresh, oxygenated water. Also, keep your tank temperature stable. Warmer water naturally holds less dissolved oxygen. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure a consistently oxygen-rich environment for your aquatic pets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.